DMETA International Funds Transfer. Today's presentation is brought to you by the members of the Decentralized Metaverse, also known as DMETA. In this video, we will explain how a DMETA contract was used to form a secure agreement of how the parties involved would transfer funds from one country to another. The following disclaimer is advised. DMETA International Funds Transfer is an actual presentation of transferring funds internationally, utilizing a DMETA contract, and is for educational purposes only. Results may vary based on parties involved and agreements formed. The information presented is not intended to be a solicitation or endorsement of any merchant or process. All rights are reserved. This video will be referring to a DMETA contract already created. If you would like to utilize or test out a DMETA contract, see the link presented here to access a blank DMETA contract with secure hashes and public keys for signing. For clear instructions on how contracts are created and used, refer to this YouTube link. The tale of two ways to transfer funds. Let's begin by comparing a centralized process of transferring funds to that of a DMETA process. Here we had Jay, the sender in Malaysia, who does not have a crypto wallet, who wishes to send USD $10 equivalent to A, who's the recipient in USA, who also does not have a crypto wallet. In most cases, Jay would opt to go to Western Union in Malaysia to send the money to A. A would receive the funds sent if done online. The cost would be equivalent of US $15. This is not a private transfer, and records are kept by government for reporting purposes. Now comes the DMETA Decentralized Metaverse, the private platform environment that allows users to network with each other to create a viable, affordable solution to transfer funds quickly, economically, with negotiated terms and conditions using a DMETA contract, which is private. J knows L in Malaysia, who has a crypto wallet, and A knows K in the USA, who also has a crypto wallet. All have agreed to work together to move funds around. Within minutes, funds are transferred from the moment J sends to L the funds. L has the crypto wallet, who then exchange it with K in the USA. K then completes the process by transferring it to A. Everything is done privately and can be done without banks' involvement. Cash can be delivered to the agent and given to the recipient, transferring funds from around the world in a matter of seconds. Now for the actual presentation. We first begin with identifying the parties to the contract. Then the agreement is made. J, the sender in Malaysia, is to send USD $10 to A in the US via agents L in Malaysia and K in the US, who hold crypto wallets used in the exchange. Step 2. The first performance to the contract begins between J, the sender, and L, the agent in Malaysia. Here we find the receipt of L sending 45 ringgits, Malaysian ringgits, to the agent L in Malaysia, who has the crypto wallet. Continuing, we are witnessing the transfer between the two agents with the crypto wallet. L, the agent in Malaysia, transferred in two transactions a total of $10 USDT to K. The total cost, 75 cents. In the fourth step, K, the agent in US, and A, the recipient in the USA, amended the original contract. The original contract, as you can recall, intended for K to send the $10 via a bank. K and A amended the contract to not include the bank, but to use Cash App instead. The final and fifth step, we find the completed DMETA contract agreement shown by A, receiving the agreed amount transferred from L, the sender in Malaysia, via Cash App. This completes our DMETA International Funds Transfer presentation. We hope you have taken away from this presentation the quick and inexpensive, simple way to transfer funds from around the world. If you have any questions or comments, please by all means reach out to us via any of these DMETA social media platforms.